Are you dreaming of living abroad without breaking the bank? Whether you're retiring, working remotely, or just seeking a fresh start, there are places around the world that offer safety, beauty, and affordability. Here are the top 5 safest and inexpensive places to live, each with its own unique charm and history. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon, the sun-kissed capital of Portugal, is known for its warm climate, rich history, and friendly locals. With cobblestone streets, colorful architecture, and stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean, Lisbon blends old-world charm with modern living. The cost of living is lower than most Western European cities, and Portugal consistently ranks as one of the safest countries in the world. Expats can enjoy affordable housing, fresh seafood, and vibrant culture without sacrificing safety. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Nestled in the mountains of northern Thailand, Chiang Mai is a peaceful city known for its ancient temples, night markets, and lush scenery. The city offers a low cost of living, making it a favorite destination for digital nomads and retirees. With friendly locals, delicious street food, and affordable healthcare, Chiang Mai is not only inexpensive but also one of the safest cities in Southeast Asia. Medellin, Colombia. Once known for its troubled past, Medellin has transformed into one of the safest and most innovative cities in Latin America. Surrounded by lush green mountains, the city of eternal spring offers a mild climate year-round. With an affordable cost of living, excellent public transportation, and a thriving art scene, Medellin is an attractive destination for expats seeking both beauty and value. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague is a storybook city with its medieval castles, Gothic churches, and winding streets. This Central European gem is not only one of the safest cities in Europe but also surprisingly affordable. With low rent prices, excellent public transport, and rich cultural history, Prague offers an affordable lifestyle without compromising safety or charm. Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Located on Mexico's Pacific coast, Puerto Vallarta is a picturesque beach town known for its warm climate, friendly locals, and stunning sunsets. It has become one of the safest and most affordable destinations in Mexico, especially for retirees. With a vibrant expat community, low-cost healthcare, and beautiful beaches, Puerto Vallarta combines tropical paradise with a budget-friendly lifestyle. Whether you're seeking a quiet retirement, a digital nomad lifestyle, or simply a fresh start, these 5 destinations offer a perfect balance of safety, beauty, and affordability. Each location comes with its own history, charm, and welcoming community, proving that living well doesn't have to cost a fortune. What are you waiting for? Get to packing! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.